Hi, welcome to my channel again. So in my last video I went charity shopping and I picked up these frames for £1 each. Now I've painted them, I've given them 2 coats of white chalk paint and I'm going to stick some floral design on there for the spring. I'm on Cricut Design Space now and these are all my florals I've chosen. The white box is the size of my picture frame, which is 4.6 by 6.50. If I put that one in the corner and put one in the bottom, I might have room to put a little saying in the middle, like "Hello Spring." So I'm going to try that. I don't know what happened there, but I lost some footage. So what I did was, I sent me printable vinyl to the printer to print off my flowers, and then I'm going to send it to my Cricut machine. So when you put it on your mat, make sure it's the right way. It's exactly the same as the picture on the Design Space. I did wait a couple of minutes for the ink to dry just to be on the safe side so it doesn't smudge when I'm rolling it onto my mat. That black line are registration marks, so my Cricut will read them and it'll tell it exactly where to cut. So it's the next day. It was a bit dark last night to video it, so I put them on my coffee table. So there's the first one, and my Hello Spring one. They look so nice. So thanks for watching and hope to see you soon. Please subscribe and give us a like. Thank you. Bye.